Hi, good morning all of you. Welcome you all to my channel Physics in Motion. Today we are going to discuss about the expected cutoff for BDS courses in Karnataka. BDS courses in Karnataka. Let us move on to all the colleges one by one. At first we will be talking about AJ Institute of Dental Science, Bangalore. For government quota, this is only for in-state candidates. General category should close at near about 354, OBC 333, SC 254 and ST 301. Private should close at 200. Next, Academy of Medical Education, Dental College, Raichur. Government category should close at 354, OBC 349. Private should close at 275. And if you are from EWS category, private open to all, that should close at around 312. Next, ACES Maruti College of Dental Science, Bangalore. Government General 364, OBC 352, SC 276 and ST 358. Private 244 and EWS 261, which is open to all, private category. Next, Al Badr Dental College and Hospital, Gulbarga. Government quota general category should close at near about 361, OBC 343, SC 296, and private category general that should be 319, and EWS private, which is open to all, that should close at around 367. Next, Al Amin Dental College, Bijapur. Government category general quota, the minimum score required should be around 341. If you are from OBC category, 331, SC 286, private 260 and EWS private 324. Bangalore Institute of Dental Science and Hospital, Bangalore. Government seats general category should close at near about 341. If you are from OBC category, 336, SC 300, and private seats general 218. EWS private, which is open to all, 302. Next, Bapuji Dental College and Hospital, Davangere. Government General 341, OBC 330, 263 for SC and 360 for ST. Private category must close at near about 200 and EWS 262. Next, College of Dental Science, Davangere. Government General should close at near about 339. If you are from OBC category, the closing score should be 316. If you are from SC category, 278, and ST category should close at near about 360. Private General 198 and EWS 200. Next, Coorg Institute of Dental Science, Coorg. Government General 330, OBC 321, SC 300 and private 201. If you are from EWS category, private is open to all and that should close at near about 361. Next we are talking about K. Venkatramana Gowda Dental College, Dakshin Kannada. Government General should close at near about 333. If you are from OBC category, 331, 274 for SC and for ST it should be near about 251. If you are from private, if you are applying to private category, 200 score can get you admission into BDS courses of this college, and if you are from EWS category, you will require around 209. Next, Dayanand Sagar, Bangalore. Government should close at near about 364, OBC 359, SC 311, private 250 and EWS 263. Next we are talking about M.R. Ambedkar Dental College, Bangalore. Government General 364, OBC 361, SC should close at near about 279, private 268 and EWS 313. Next, Government Dental College, Bellary. General 405, OBC 401, SC 300 and ST 356. This is the minimum score required to get admission for BDS courses into Government Dental College and Research Institute, Bellary. Next, Government Dental College, Bangalore. The closing score should be 400 for general category, 361 for OBC and 301 for SC category. For ST, you should have at least 389 to get admission into this dental college. Next is HKDET's Dental College, Bidar. Government General 431, OBC 354, SC 332. Private seats should close at near about 351, and if you are from EWS category, open to all, should close at a higher score of 488. Next, Hyderabad Karnataka Education Society, Gulbarga. Government 341, OBC 342, SC 300, private 222, 222, and EWS 263. Next, KLES Institute of Dental Science, Bangalore. Government category should close at near about 369, OBC at 336, SC at 290, private category 208, and EWS at 244. If you are having a score of 244 and you are from EWS category, you can easily get KLES Institute of Dental Science for BDS courses. So one by one we are talking about all these dental colleges. If you are planning for BDS courses, you are going to pursue your career in dentistry, so BDS and after that MDS, so you can plan well. You can see what your in what range your marks are, and accordingly you can attend the counseling with full focus so that you get a good college. अभी हम और भी बाकी कॉलेजेस की भी बात करते हैं. बाकी आपसे मैं जस्ट डिस्कशन कर रहा हूँ कि हाँ, अगर आप BDS के लिए प्लान कर रहे हैं तो आप इनकी कट ऑफ को देख करके एक आइडिया लगा सकते हैं, एस्टिमेशन लगा सकते हैं, इनका फी स्ट्रक्चर, बजट, ये सब समझ करके आप अपना पूरा प्लान बना सकते हैं और उसको एग्जीक्यूट कर सकते हैं एक एफिशिएंट मैनर में. बाय दिस टाइम अभी और भी कॉलेजेस हैं, हम उनको डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं. अगर आपने अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो इसको सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दीजिए टाइमली नोटिफिकेशंस के लिए, है ना. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. नेक्स्ट, KGF कॉलेज ऑफ डेंटल साइंस, KGF. गवर्नमेंट 351, OBC 345, SC 273, ST 350. If you are through private category 211, and EWS should close at near about 290. Next, Krishnadev Rai, Bangalore. Government should close at 364, OBC 358, OBC 358, SC 282, ST 300, private 217, and EWS should close at near about 251. Next we are talking about MS Ramaiah, very good dental college, and obviously its medical college is also awesome. So MS Ramaiah University of Applied Sciences, Bangalore. Government should close at near about 400, OBC 398, SC 322, ST 367. Through private category also a higher score would be required as compared to the other colleges. It's around 338, and through EWS it should go much high, that is around 417. Next, Maratha Mandal Dental College, Belgaum. Government 350, OBC 321, SC 268, and ST 347. Through private category 221, and EWS should close at near about 261. Next, Navodaya Dental College, Raichur. Government 349, OBC 344, SC 304, private 239, and EWS 344. Next, Oxford Dental College, Bangalore. Government 345, OBC 357, SC 259, private 226, and EWS 277. Next, PM Nadagowda Memorial, Bagalkot. Government 344. For OBC category, the minimum score required should be 332, and if you are from SC category, then at least 270 marks you should have, and for ST category students 343 would be required to get admission into this college. Through private quota 211 marks, and if you are from EWS category it should be around 239. Next, Raja Rajeshwari Dental College and Hospital, Bangalore. Government should close at near about 355, OBC 339, SC 267, private 216, and EWS at 240. Next, Rashtriya Vidyalaya Dental College, Bangalore. Government 369, OBC should close at around 370, SC 300, private 251, and through EWS a score of minimum score of 311 would be required. Next, SB Patil Institute of Dental Science, Bidar. Government category general must have a minimum score of 392 and OBC 388. For private also you require a higher score, that is 362, 364 around, and for EWS much higher, 481. Next, Saravati Dental College, Shimoga. Government should close at near about 340, OBC 325, SC 258, ST 347. If you are applying through private category, then the minimum score required would be around 230, and for EWS 288. Next, Sri Dharmasthala, Dharwad. Government must close at near about 400, OBC 372. If you are from SC category, then around 274 and 386 for ST category students. 300 for private and 341 for EWS category. Next, Sri Jagadguru Dental College, Chitradurga. General must close at near about 334, OBC 336, SC 275, and if you are from ST category, 336. Through private, a much lower score is required, around 179, and for EWS 219. Next, Sri Rajiv Gandhi Dental College, Bangalore. Government 340, OBC 324. If you are from SC category, 285, ST 356. Private should close at near about 222, and if you are from EWS category, then 266. Next, Hasanamba Dental College, Hassan. Government 355, OBC 349, SC 267, ST 363, private 210, and EWS at 261. Next, Srinivasa Institute of Dental Science, Mangalore. Government should close at near about 339, and yes, if you are from OBC category, then it should be, your score should be at the minimum 321, 259 for SC and 350 for ST. Next, for private, 196, and EWS should have through EWS category 319. Next, Venkateshwara Dental College, Bangalore. Government should close at near about 356 and OBC 343. For SC category, the score should be near about 280, and for EWS it should be around 261. Next, Vokalagira, Bangalore. Government should close at near about 400, OBC 350, SC 270, ST 388, private 260, and EWS 277. Next, Vaidehi, Bangalore. Government should close at near about 366, 336 for OBC, 310 for SC, 337 for ST category. If you are applying through private category, then 218, and yes, if you are from EWS quota, a score of 377 would be required to get admission into this dental college. These were the dental colleges of Karnataka. So you can plan well, you can make your proper plans so that you can execute them properly. Wish you all very best wishes from Physics in Motion. Stay tuned. Goodbye.